Created in 1979 by Baron Bic, Bic Sport is totally oriented toward the sea. World market leader in windsurfing for more than 20 years, Bic Sport has diversified in the last 15 years into the categories of surf, kayak, and dinghies. A pioneer in the world of board sports, today Bic Sport is the world specialist for water sports. From its base in France, Bic Sport manufactures its products using 3 distinct techniques. Thanks to this unique technical know-how, over 65,000 products leave the factory in Bonn, Brittany every year for export to over 70 countries. From the design stage through to the end of their useful lives, Bic Sport products are environmentally friendly, combining modern industrial processes with non-polluting materials. Low energy consumption, no greenhouse gas emissions or polluting materials. All production waste is recycled. Bic kayaks in the open Bic can be totally recycled. In early 2000, Bic Sport moved into the rigid kayak market with an innovative design and construction technique, twin sheet. This resulted in a higher quality product than the roto-molded standard. Very quickly, Bic Sport was able to establish itself among the European market leaders for sit-on-top kayaks. The Bilbao, Tobago, and Wasu have become fixtures on the market and received the attention of the prestigious magazine Observateur de Design for their technical and environmentally friendly qualities. Innovation was also the driving force and the key to our successful launch of the inflatable Yak Air kayaks. The combination of kitesurf technology and high-pressure structures has enabled us to deliver high-performance, lightweight products that stand out from the competition.
Everyone's gone, I'll stay alone, but I don't mind. I met a new friend today. I can hear his voice in my head. It feels like he became a part of myself. He would call his ugly on me, and they will get the sinners out of my way. I'm so happy, but don't worry. No, I don't wanna take my medics to
Open Bic has brought a breath of fresh air to junior dinghy sailing. Fast, responsive, and completely self-bailing, the modern design uses recyclable materials in a rocket ship hull and new age rig that can be set up in 2 minutes. Capsizing is part of the game. The Open Bic is the kid machine that maximizes sailing fun. It also marks a departure from 40 years sailing history by using innovative formats and course layouts that kids love.
Take my minutes today. They won't give up, they won't break down. They're made of steel.
With ISAF class status, the Open Bic has already been chosen by numerous national sailing federations for their race fleets. The bottom line, kids can't wait to sail the Open Bic.
They won't give up, they won't break down. My arm is made of steel.
Bic Sport is based in France, the very heart of one of the biggest water sports markets in the world. This privileged location and the responsiveness of our factory production means we can react quickly to international market trends, changes, and fluctuations. The quality of our distribution network is one of the strengths to Bic Sport's development. Europe, America, and Japan are our strongest historic markets, but the future is steering us increasingly towards the new markets in developing nations.